So good morning po sa ating lahat, no? At bago ang lahat, gusto ko po munang pasalamatan ng kagalang-galang natin na Regional Director ng actually department na siya, no? DepDep ba, ma'am? So kanina binabanggit natin, NEDA. So actually ano na sila? Department of Economy, Planning and Development. So palakpakan po natin sila, Ma'am Britaw, no? Congratulations po, ma'am, for being a department. Of course, pinapasalamatan ko rin, no? Ang kasama ni Ma'am Florita na si Chief Eden Trilao at sina Sir Apollo, yan, sina Ma'am Melissa, Sir Alberto. So maraming salamat po, no? And warmest of the warmest greetings po sa inyo na pinaunlakan po ninyo kami, no? Actually matagal na po namin itong nire-request kasi being a very new department din po, no? Nauna lang po kami ng a year, ganun. Kailangan po talaga namin ito, ma'am, no? Besides kami po, no? Even my staff, mga chief ko, sina Axel, sina Sir Nino, sila Ma'am Jeanette, relatively mga bata pa rin po kami, no? So, kailangan po namin yung upskilling na ganito, no? Kasi especially na Department of Migrant Workers is, meron po kaming hinahawakang committee. Yun po yung Committee on Social Development, Migration and Development. So again, welcome po sa session na to, and I hope marami po kami mapupulot sa training na to, no? So again, thank you very much, and mabuhay po kayong lahat, ma'am. Cheers.
Of this activity for today, let us give a hand po for our Regional Director of NEDA 12, Ms. Florita A. Ridao.
Thank you very much to our able MC. Magandang umaga po sa lahat, and my courtesies to the Regional Director, Sir Samsudin Lintungan, sir. So my colleagues from NEDA and from the DMW, maraming salamat sa inyong pagpunta din ng umaga dito and for inviting NEDA to be part of your training on Secretariat Services. So what we will be sharing with you today is part of our experience as Secretariat of the Regional Development Council. Really hope that you will be able to learn something from our sharing today. So, God bless us. Thank you.
Or the quality of secretariat support really matters in terms of the successful conduct of a committee meeting. So yan po yung ating objectives, no, under this session. Next please. I believe that you already had one learning session facilitated by a resource person from DILG, si Ma'am Jeremy, no? So somehow meron na siyang na-share na rin ng overview on Secretariat Services kasi nag-share, no? So for our outline in this presentation, ito lang po, maiksi lang, no? So we will be tackling the elements of effective meeting management and also aspects of meeting management and also general roles and responsibilities lang of technical secretariat and administrative support staff. Next please. So for effective meeting management, so general ano lang po ito, description. So, meeting management encompasses the processes of planning, organizing, conducting, and following up on meetings. No? So, this is to ensure that these are done efficiently, productively, and also for us to achieve our desired outcomes. So, yung planning, yan na yung kasama doon sa pre-meeting, no? We need to plan out what should be our agenda for the meeting, ano ang gusto nating ma-achieve, no, for the conduct of the meeting at ng members, especially with the secretariat and of course the chair, no. And another element of an effective meeting management is of course yung efficient time management. So, as I said, during the meeting, ano na yan siya, nasa, ano to, yung parang...
Pangalan ko, no, you can call me Jal for short. abbreviation of my 3 names. But unlike Ma'am Eden and the rest of the staff, siguro magkakilala na kayo nila Ma'am Eden, pero ako, yung iba lang nakikita ko sa RDC meeting. So, I believe I asked Sir Apollo earlier kung to give me a background, ano ba ang committee na i-organize ng may committee pala kayo, yung subcommittee on migration and development. Then I was informed that the chair and the committee next to the chairperson. Why? Because the committee.
So yan po ang ginagamit namin sa aming e-agenda, Google Sites. Okay na?
Yes po.
Okay. Lahat? Tapos na? Okay. Then we click a collapsible group. Hindi masyado makita to. Collapsible group 3 times. We usually use it 3 times. Nakita niyo sa right side niya, merong collapsible group. Okay. Click mo siya 3 times. Nasa right side po. Sa right side, sa gilid. So, okay na? May lumabas? So, ganito ang lalabas. Pero actually, dalawang beses lang ako nakaklik. Sa inyo, so tatlong items ang nakalagay. Then encode menu title. Kasi ang program natin, usually, nadi-divide yan siya sa dalawang parts. Ang una yung preliminaries, then meeting proper. Kaya 3 tabs ang ginagamit namin. Kasi sa 3rd tab nito, dito namin nilalagay yung mga references, yung pictures, dyan namin nilalagay sa third part. So napalitan na ninyo yung menu title. Okay na lahat? Okay. Next, sa gilid ng menu title, may nakikita kayong down arrow. Kapag i-click nyo yan, may drop down yan. So, try clicking yung sa meeting proper na ilagay ninyo. So, pag click ninyo, ito makita ninyo, may drop down, then mayroong click to edit text. So, anong gawin natin dyan? I-encode natin ang lahat ng topics, lahat ng agenda, kasunod ng kasunod ng presenter, ng position ng office. Kapag nag-i-encode kayo dito, usually kapag nag-i-encode tayo, enter man tayo when we go to the next line. Sa Google Sites, kapag mag-enter ka, mayroong space sa gitna na makita. So, what we do is shift enter. Okay. Ngayon, may pinadala akong file na text file sa inyo kanina. Next, ang gawin natin dito, lagyan natin siya ng link. Okay na ba lahat na-encode na lahat? O naka-center na rin? What we have to do is highlight yung topic na i-discuss, then i-click mo yung icon na yan para ma-center. So sure na ha? Center na? Okay, let's go. Okay. Yung part na yan, dapat lagyan natin ng link para clickable siya. Yung atin ng meeting, pag tingnan niya, ano yung laman nun? Pwede niyang i-click, mag-open ito sa isang tab na naman. So what we have to do is highlight that part. So naka-highlight na? Then, click this to add hyperlink. Okay, may lumabas na. Okay na? Na-click na ninyo? Okay. Ito ang lalabas. may nakalagay doon na link, blanco yan sa inyo. Sa pinadala kong notepad, may link doon. Yun naman ang kopyahin ninyo. So, na-paste na ninyo yung link?
Yes po.
Okay. You click apply. So, ganito ang mukha niya. May underline na siya. Lahat may underline na? Okay. That means clickable na siya. So, anong sunod natin gawin? Gawin nyo ito sa lahat ng mga items na naipasok nyo sa agenda. Okay? Then, we have to share now. Click to share the e-agenda, yung sa taas naman. Yung may tao na may plus. Okay? So, may lalabas na box na naman. Ang galawin natin sa box, yung general access, gawin mong to anyone. Kasi drop usually restricted ang ano niyan eh. Gawin yung to anyone. Anyone with the link. Nakita niyo yan? Nakita niyo ba ang box na yan? Lumabas ba? Okay. Tayo mo na. Okay. Anyone with the link ang piliin nyo. Okay na? Okay. Then, we will click done. Okay. Okay na? Done na? Next. We will click publish. Publish na natin. Kasi itong part na ito, kailangan nakikita nito. Kailangan natin silang i-publish para hindi sila dito papasok sa ini-edit ninyo. Na-click ng publish. Pag-click mo, lalabas ang isang box na naman. Yan ang lalabas. Click mo na ulit ang publish. Sa box na yan, makikita na yung web address ng inyong ginawa. So, na-click ng publish. Okay. So, ngayon, i-open na natin ang ating ginawang i-agenda. Okay na lahat? Dito na tayo sa click nyo ulit yung publish, tapos view published site. Click nyo. Lumabas? May lumabas? Sure kayo? So makita nyo yung dalawang items na, dalawang menu. Oo. Okay. I-click nyo yun ulit yung down arrow para lalabas yung ginawa natin. Pag-click nyo yung down arrow, may lumabas na. Naka-underline. So, i-click ninyo kung anong mangyari. Okay. So, okay? Tapos ng trabaho ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Sige, yan. Thank you so much po, Sir Apollo, for the technicalities na tinuri po sa amin. And thank you so much, Ma'am Mel, for
Mag-update siya.
troubleshooting.
Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Okay pa bang lahat?
Yes. The topic would go around documentation in general. Nagtuturo ako. So, ang outline natin for this first presentation, we'll be talking first about the different types of documentation. Obviously, you already know. Kasi ginagawa nyo na, di ba? So, mayroong video, may audio, may written. But most of what we'll be talking about before we head to lunch ay written documentation. And then we'll go over yung key, ano ba yung laman ng highlights in general. And then I'll ask you of some of your takeaways. Next, please. So ang gusto natin malaman today is ano yung iba-ibang klase ng documentation and ano yung process ng paggawa ng highlights. So next. Okay. So when we talk about documentation, what's the first thing that comes to mind? So si Ma'am Lavinia. Hi ma'am, good morning. Yes, ganyan. So yun, so kailangan may nagdo-document tayo kasi gusto natin hindi 1 terabyte. Limited yung space ng utak natin. So kailangan may babalikan tayo. So sabi ni Sir Edward, ganito daw. Pero sabi ni Sir Axel, hindi, sabi ni RD, ito yon. So ano, sino ngayon ang magsasabi sa'yo kung sinong tama? Yung si RD. Point rin, no? Tama. +1 sa IPCR.
For comments that aims to evaluate the meeting's effectiveness, the content, the organization, and the overall participant satisfaction. So, dyan din natin kinigage nyo kung ano ba talaga, satisfied ba talaga tayo? Baka sa results na be able to draft the summary of agreements correctly. I believe we will have on the latter part, we have a special director. We have a part no, sa ating presentation on the drafting of the summary of agreements correctly, at the same time tracking of the resolutions.
Responsible division, and then actions taken by the RDC2 Secretariat, in our case, with date and details. And then we also have a column for archived a copy with the Secretariat and update. So that you'll be able to have real-time updates, may mga gusto kayong ilalagay simultaneously, and hindi mawawala yung changes kasi nga real-time siya. And then
Out of the list of resolutions and instructions, so maging basis na rin yan ng tentative or possible agenda for the next meeting. Okay? So, action of the council. No? So, i-rate yan sa council. Kaya, kailangan gumawa ng committee report. May ano kami niyan, may format. I believe Apollo shared a template sa SCM.
The Director of Appreciation ko is presented to Mr. Apollo Y. Nalawe. Same certificate is presented to Mr. Alberto U. Pesadas Jr. Same certificate is presented to Mr. Nico Jim L. Baron. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Ms. Melissa Gabriel H. Vargas. Lastly po, a certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Jose Anthony Lauren P. Octavio. Alright, thank you so much. We really appreciate the effort po.